Hi, today I'm sharing 3 new Squarespace updates for you that went live in June 2025. The first is we're going to take a look at portfolios and see the changes that were made there. It is great and something that I have been asking for since those rolled out a few years ago. Next, we're going to look at some new ways to edit the header, which is really handy, especially on mobile view. And the third thing is we're going to take a look at the new Bluesky icon in social icons. If we haven't met, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. And if you don't have my Squarespace pre-launch checklist, even if you've already launched your site, I'll drop a link below so you can grab it. It walks you through everything you need to check on your Squarespace website. All right, I'm here in my Sway template for authors. If you're interested in checking out my templates in my template shop, I'll drop a link to that below. But I'm going to demo for you these changes that Squarespace has just rolled out. And we're going to start with the portfolio. Now, this particular template for authors does not include a portfolio off the bat, but we're just going to go ahead and add one. So we're going to add a portfolio, and I'm going to choose this one. Not going to worry about what it's called. But the beauty of it is now when I start a new project in my portfolio, it is in draft status. Before today, whenever you started a new project inside your portfolio, it was immediately live to the world, which meant that you had to scramble and get it ready to look live from the get-go. Now you can take your time. This works just like the blog works in Squarespace. So if you're familiar with the blog process, this works exactly the same. When you're ready for it to go live, you will just click publish and save. So whenever you start a new project, it will automatically be in draft form. This is something that I've been asking for since portfolio collections rolled out maybe 4 or 5 years ago. So I am so happy with this update, thrilled. The other thing that is new here is they've got this working finally, so it's connected to the asset library. Prior to May 2025, you had to upload it from your desktop, which made no sense because you probably already had it in your asset library on your Squarespace website. So huge improvements here for the portfolio collection, and I am delighted with these. All right, next up, I want to show you the changes to the header. So if we click edit and edit site header, you'll notice that now we have this new icon on the right. It looks like what you see at the bottom of every section, and you can adjust the header height here instead of going into edit design and height. So you could do this here. But this was a pain for mobile. You got what you got with mobile. And now you can actually do this on mobile and make it the way you want here. Easy. So excited for this feature too. The header height is something that, when you get it right, it really looks intentional and beautiful and makes a difference with a website. Sometimes you'll see them that are way too tight. Sometimes they're way too tall, mostly because people dropped in a logo that wasn't cropped correctly. But now you can make it just right. And finally, there is a new addition to the social icons. So if you have a Bluesky link, you can just drop it in here. And there is now a Bluesky icon. So there we have the 3 new features that Squarespace has rolled out within the first week of June 2025. These are all really fantastic updates. Another update that just launched, and it has its own video because it is such a big deal, is automatic tax calculations. So if you haven't watched that one yet, you might want to watch that next. It's something I set up on my own website, and it works really, really well. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, drop a comment below, or consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. It helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.